This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Camera supports Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and your phone meets OS requirements. Power the camera and enable its wireless or pairing mode so it broadcasts a network. Install the camera maker's app on your phone. If none exists, pick a reputable tethering app. Once done, open phone Wi-Fi settings, find the camera SSID, and connect using the provided password. This first step establishes the link that the app will use to control and transfer files, so don't skip verifying firmware. Once your phone and camera see each other, you authenticate using the app's pairing flow or by entering the camera PIN in Wi-Fi settings. Make sure the app requests the permissions for storage and location so transfers work reliably. Configure transfer options. Choose JPG versus RAW, set image size, and select phone folder or cloud destination. Also change camera sleep and timeout settings so it doesn't disconnect mid-transfer. This middle stage ensures stable, predictable behavior for shooting and immediate image delivery. You finish by testing. Shoot a photo and transfer it to verify the whole chain. If wireless is unstable, try USB OTG cable for a direct tethered connection. This is faster and bypasses network issues. If problems persist, restart both devices, update camera firmware and the app, then repair to clear stale settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, check for conflicting Wi-Fi networks and temporarily disable phone mobile hotspot. This often resolves pairing and transfer interruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.